Hi, my name's Lori, and I had a LICAP flap in 2021. Dr. Timek did an amazing job. Her office staff was wonderful and very welcoming. I always felt like I was in the best hands possible. Recovery was very good for me. I followed all the directions. I really didn't have any problems with my recovery. My visits were always very positive. I would totally recommend Dr. Timek and her staff to anyone. In fact, I have recommended her to friends that have gone through with mastectomies as I had. That's all I have to say.